Hey everyone, this is Sanjay from n8n. In this video, we are going to see how to build a n8n automation which does the website audit. So the audit is basically we will get two different audits, that is technical audit and also content audit. So we'll get more recommendations and suggestions and even critical errors and bugs in the website by using this automation. So make sure to watch the full video, and the workflow will be, all the workflows will be given in the description. So this is the n8n automation which we are going to use to do the website audit. So this workflow is triggered by using a form. So basically we'll be attaching this node to get the form from the user who are using it. So we are just give a basic your landing page is liking sales, fix it, okay, which is a basic FOMO. And then landing page URL text, okay. So what we'll do is we'll execute this and show you once. Yeah, so it's as a landing page. So let's give some n8n.io. Okay, I'm going to give the n8n.io, which is the website I'm using. I'm going to click OK. The website is scraping itself. Doing its job. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay. So as we are connected with merge node, the two nodes should be executed. Then only it will pass through this node. If the only one AI executes, it will not pass. So let's just wait for the both. Yeah. So it has successfully executed. We'll go, okay, we got the mail, on page technical audit, critical issues missing, all attribute or some images, missing meta keywords, okay, duplicate MX block, okay. So guys, these are the technical audit which have done in the n8n.io, which is n8n platform. So these are the issues in their platform. And content audit, content quality assessment, relevance and focus, content is highly relevant to, okay, it's good. So yeah guys, these are the complete recommendations. It's a complete audit because it's you can see it's giving very accurate suggestions and also recommendations to improve our keyword, technical, SEO, readability, all those things. So if you have a website and want to do an audit, please check out this automation. I'll give this workflow in the description. You can try this. So yeah guys, coming back to the automation, we gave the landing page. We gave a form to give a landing page, and this node is the complete one which scrapes the website. So you can just add this node, scrape website, and get mapping out this landing page URL. I have just mapped out like that. And then after that, we have connected this with the technical audit agent. So basically this is the prompt I have given for this, and I have connected the OpenAI API keys to it, and go and choose the 4.1 mini, and same for the content audit. The quality of the prompt is the main thing. So how you prompt is going to define the output. If you're prompting too generic, it's going to give a very generic answer, but if you're specific, it will give the exact output which you want. Okay, so I have set up a merge node which only passes these outputs if the both gives the data, and then we are doing in the aggregate to merge. Aggregate is simply nothing but to merge both outputs and mark down to HTML. So we'll be getting this as a markdown, and we are converting this to a HTML. Why? Because as we are sending through an email, we are converting this to a HTML content, and then finally I have attached my mail. So yeah, as simple as that, we have attached this mail to it, and here is the message. So this is all for the overall workflow. So yeah guys, that's all for this automation, and thank you for watching this video. And if you're a business owner looking to build a personalized automation which is something like this or any other automation, make sure to give a DM or book a call with me so that we can contact you. Bye.